Hello, I show how to Archimedes. Click plugin. Now click try in studio. Arbidden. Now, warp. Go to plugins tab. Whack in name different Kabistava Sawabedi Uransa. Wake at 0 as then Roblox Studio and find and click Archimedes. You can edit the angle you desire to work at. You can use the different X, Y, or Z directions to alter the direction of the object. You may need to select all of them to see how it will work out. The flip axis setting will flip the direction your selected object will go. Then there is the swap sides setting, which will simply swap the side which your model will go. Please note this is different from the aforementioned setting, flip axis. Utilize different directions to build complex structures, like arches. You can also go in one single direction to form a circle. Change angle length and part size to get less or more circular circles. I will build an example. I will build a road for motor vehicles to showcase the things that can be done with this amazing plugin and how it makes life easier. Please note, when you want to use Archimedes on entire models, not just singular parts, it is essential to group your models so the plugin works correctly. You also have different alignment settings which can be used. Personally, I typically only use inside, but you can use other ones like middle and outside for certain use cases that require it. Using angles of your choice and different directions, you can make complex roads for your wonderful motor vehicles to motor vehicle across.
shhnebb, so giggle, he may be a shhnebb. Giggler! He wants to take our master out of all meals. We must attack! Yeah, yeah.
Men, let me feast. Shhnebb will not attack. World War III will occur in 2026. Happy Shhnebb Day!
Now, my stinky friends, I will be making a fence to display another use case of this amazing plugin.
Yeah! Brown slime. Delight. Shhnebb has the egg coming, I think, but wait. We must feast in silence. The Shhnebb gigglers are here, oh my child.
Again, make sure to group models before you use the plugin on them. You can use a degree amount of 0 for your angle if you just want your model to go straight out. Just like building in regular Studio, can you use the Undo tool, Ctrl-Z, to revert any actions taken by this plugin? Now, I have used the plugin to make a fence greater than your mind can fathom. You can use this plugin to assist you in many complex building and devours. I highly advise using this plugin for things like this instead of using the built-in Roblox Studio Rotate tool. Quick recap. Flip axis inverts the axis in which your model goes, while swap sides simply changes the side.
Shhnebb may enact the Shnebbing Act of 1933. Let me spell Shhnebb matter.
Thank you for watching tutorial. If you have any questions, subscribe. Make sure to like. Happy you enjoyed the video. Thank me.